So hi guys, I am Deepak and today in this video I will be unboxing the all new Mi Band 3. So let's get to the unboxing. So here is a box of Mi Band 3. You can read the specifications by pausing the video. Opening up the box, we can have a look at the capsule of Mi Band 3. Its battery lasts for about 15 to 20 days on a single charge. On the back of the capsule, we can see the heart rate sensor. It has a 0.78-inch OLED touchscreen on the front. Next up, we have a strap for holding the capsule. It is made up of thermoplastic elastomer material, which is skin friendly and fits perfectly on wrist. Next up, we have the standard cable for charging the Mi Band 3. Putting the capsule into the strap. This time there is almost no chance of the capsule falling off the band. It fits well. To pair the band, first open the Mi Fit app. Then click on tap to pair your device option. Then next select the band option. Then allow the permissions it asks for. Next turn the Bluetooth on and then it will search for your band. Then a pop-up will appear on the capsule that says tap to pair. Press the button and that's it, your band will be paired. Then if you're pairing your band for the first time, it will go under a firmware update, which can take some time. Now the update is over, let me show you some options available on the Mi Band 3. Swiping to the top from the home, it shows your steps. Then swiping up again, we can see the heart rate. Next option is of the weather. Then exercise mode. Next is the notification mode. You can toggle around the current notifications. Then we have some basic options under the more menu, like stopwatch, silent mode. Pressing and holding the button on the bottom, it will activate the particular option. Then there is the Find My Device option, which when activated will make your device to ring. The next is the screen option, where you can choose different watch faces. And the last option is of the About option. A lot have changed since the Mi Band 2. Xiaomi have added some of the basic options which the users have asked for, like the stopwatch, silent mode, notifications. All these options makes Mi Band 3 worth it. The link of the band is in the description below. If you want to check it out, you can. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.